If you're mowing in the South and you think that your mower is going to last the whole season, come on guys, let's be real. Your mower is going to break. I'm telling you, this is going to happen. Yes, it's just life. Doesn't matter what brand you have, your mower is going to break. And why would your mower break? Simple. Man, you have the long seasons, the heat, the sand, the thick Bermuda grass. The southern turf itself is kind of thick. Wet St. Augustine, dust everywhere. Your mower is going to take a beating every single day. And if you don't know what's wear out fast, you're gonna learn today, because that's where I come in. Today I'm breaking down the parts that are going to break and just go out every single season here in the South, and what you should expect before it costs you time and money. So let's get hot. So if you're new to lawn care, especially in the South US, man, understand this. We don't have a short season. We are cutting from early spring through late fall, and sometimes we're mowing year around. That means long engine hours, high heat, sandy soil, thick, aggressive turf. So your mower is not just your hobby tool. It's a production machine, and production means wear and tear on your parts. So let's talk about the main ones. Let's talk about your blades. Your blades don't last long down here, and here's why. Because we have sandy soil. If you mow in Georgia, Florida, and the Carolinas, some places in Texas as well, that sandy soil beats your blades alive. You might sharpen your blades weekly, sometimes twice a week in peak season, okay? So how come your blades get dull? It's because you hit pine cones, sweet gum balls, hidden sticks, tree roots, so your blade is gonna get dull. And they're going to chip as well. Dull blades slow you down and they strain your engine. And the main part is they make the lawn look bad. So if your strap don't pop anymore, check your blades first, just to make sure. I keep multiple blades for my mower and keep them sharp at all times. As a matter of fact, one thing that I will tell you is take a set with you. All right, let's continue. Yeah, take a set with you and swap them out. Swap them out consistently. Another part that goes out real quick is your belt. The southern heat will crack your belts, and heavy grass is going to stretch them. And if your pulleys are slightly out of alignment, they shred fast. So here's the telltale signs. You'll notice squealing, burning rubber smell, your blades slowing down when you hit thick grass. That's the belts actually warning you. I always keep at least one spare belt on my trailers, just in case, you know. It doesn't hurt, because if one snap mid-route, man, it feels good when you have one available. Next is your tires, especially the front ones. These are pneumatic tires, so they don't go flat, and these are twills. So I'm kind of good. But one thing is your rear tire will lose its thread mid-season, okay? So make sure you keep that in mind. And how you know is because you start spinning instead of gripping the soil. Then the front caster tires, if you turn on pavement a lot, those things wear down real quick. Construction neighborhood, nails everywhere. So remember, flat tires cost you money, and time is money. So don't waste your time. Now when it comes to your spindles and bearings, the sand is your enemy. This is where guys get surprised. You'll start hearing a whining sound, a grinding sound, and a lot of times it's like extra vibration. That's usually a spindle bearing is kind of going out, so sand and dust gets in there. If you hit a root hard enough, you'll knock things loose, and if you ignore it, you'll burn a belt, you'll damage the deck, or destroy your spindle completely. So when your mower starts vibrating more than normal, man, don't ignore it. All right, air filters is no joke, especially here in the South, man. Dry summer weeks, dust clouds, your air filters will clog up really fast. So how do you know when your air filter is clogged up? You lose power, poor fuel efficiency, and it's hard to start the engine. I know your manual tell you to replace them in intervals, but man, here in the South, you need to do that pretty often. Remember, a $20 filter, it saves you from a $2,000 engine issue, man. So pay attention. All right, let's talk about your spark plug. Let me tell you, long hours fuel spark plugs. You'll notice rough idle, it's hard to start your engine, slightly loss of power, and it's a cheap fix. Don't ignore the small issues until they become a big issue. Now let's talk about your battery. Remember, the cold will kill your battery, so the heat will kill them as well. There's my battery all the way in there. The constant vibration, high temperature, 2 or 3 season max in most cases. And of course, it dies in the busiest week of the day of the year, man. So check the intervals and keep them tight and clean. Check your batteries often. One that we really don't pay attention to a lot is our fuel filters. Ethanol fuel breaks stuff down. So remember, your fuel lines will crack, filters will clog. You'll think it's a car problem, but sometimes it's just a $10 fuel filter. So replace them regularly and save yourself some headaches. Let's not forget your hydros, the expensive ones. If you're running 0 turns, my hydros are in the back there. Your hydros don't always just break, they weaken. So here's how you can tell you have an hydro problem. You'll notice slower response on your mower, less power going up hills, and a jerking movement, okay? The heat plus lawn mowing hours stresses them. So change your hydro fluid like you're supposed to. If you ignore it, that bill is gonna hurt. So real talk, if you're new in the business, understand something. Your parts will wear out. It doesn't matter what brand you have or what brand you're loyal to. It is a man-made machine and it will break. Especially if you're in the South, you're using that mower to the extreme. So here's what I budget for every season, just to kind of keep me good to go. Every season I expect multiple blade swaps, a couple of belts, spindles, pulleys, a battery here and there at the beginning, and regular filters. So the thing is, not if it's gonna happen, but when it's going to happen. So if you want to stay profitable in the lawn care business, don't think like an operator, think like a business owner, because equipment maintenance is not optional, okay? So guys, let me know if I miss anything. Put it in the comment section. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. It was quick, easy, just off the cuff. Like, share, follow, subscribe, all of that good stuff. See you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Peace.